people die here. Someone died here yesterday. This place is dangerous. And here it is. The car. So, welcome to the lap on the Nürburgring.
For this lap, I decided to leave stabilization off, so you get the best idea how rough and bumpy this track is.
So as you can see, these things happened on the Nürburgring all the time, and you have to be aware as a driver. When you come here, it's not a theme park. It's not a theme park. You don't have safety nets. You don't have someone keeping you from harming yourself. This is real track, despite the fact that it might be, oh, so we know what happened. Yeah, people die here. Someone died here yesterday. Someone died here 2 years ago on the day when I was getting to the track. So as you can see, it is dangerous place. I mean, despite what people say, if you drive fast, this place is dangerous. And the accidents happened here every day, multiple times, and they work very hard on making sure that the track is safe for other people like us who were, you know, lucky enough not to have an accident. And here it is. The car, not too much damage, a bit of damage to the front, but obviously it spoiled the lap for everyone else. But I'm glad the guys are fine. This is the most important bit, because you can die here. Don't get me wrong. This is a beautiful place. This is amazing place. I mean, I could be here every weekend. And I know about the dangers. I know I could potentially die here. And I think people coming here need to know that they can die. If they have one moment where they're not paying attention, they just overexcited and they drive chaotic or do a bit wrong maneuver, they drive 10 kilometers too fast into the corner. That's it. Your car will slid, your car will hit something, and if you're lucky, you end up with a big bill. Because that's the whole other topic, big bills. You can have, you know, easily a bill of 10-20,000 euros for a crash here. And even worse, if you crash to someone or you cause someone else to crash because your oil's on the road, etc. Well, that's it. You know, you're paying for that. You will be taken to court and be liable for others people loss, which can end up in hundreds of thousands. So despite this being like great fun, you need to have respect to this place and be aware that by going on this track, if you're from UK, you're not insured, you need to pay attention, because otherwise you might have a big problem. I'm glad I managed to get on track. You know, people died here yesterday, and yet we are driving here on the most challenging, amazing track in the world. And yeah, we're fine and we're having fun. You've seen me probably on my first lap today. I was literally shaking. You get such a shot of adrenaline. It's just beyond everything else. Never get influenced by anyone to drive faster than you're comfortable with. Never, never ever. If you're not confident, go faster than you can. This is the biggest thing. Do not try to be a hero. There's plenty of faster people around here. Probably 95% of people are faster than you. So don't try to be a hero. Just have fun and you'll be fine. The tires got right beating here. As you can see, the fronts are still at 60 degrees and rears are at 48. This is territory where you should really have cap 2s on, and that will probably work best at these temperatures. But yeah, we made it. We made it. And I think that's the most important bit. We're not the one in the ditch.
And if you would like to see me and my friends going through the most amazing roads in this world, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.